All right, checkpoint exercises for comparing functions. With number 1, we're given that the Dillingers are putting hardwood floors in their home. Company A can install the floors at a rate of 20 square feet per hour, and the function S equals 22.5 H represents the square feet S that Company B can install in H hours. How many more square feet can Company B install than Company A in 18 hours? So for Company A, first let's write a function. We have 20 square feet per hour. That's simply going to be, if we use the same variables as Company B, and because I didn't write it as such, it's going to bug me. Let's go ahead and make this a capital B. That's simply going to be S equals 20H. So at 18 hours, S of 18 equals 20 times 18, which equals 360 square feet for Company A. And with Company B, we have S of 18 equals 22.5 times the 18 hours, which equals 405 square feet. So the difference, which is what's asked for, 405 minus 360 equals 45 square feet. So Company B will have installed 45 square feet more than Company A after 18 hours of installation. Now with number 2, we are told that late fees for the county library are given by the function C equals 0.45D, where C is the total cost of the fine and D is the number of days the book is late. The fees charged by the local library, the local cooperative library, are given in the table, with it being 55 cents for 1 day, $1.10 for 2 days, and $1.65 for 3 days. We're asked to compare the function's y-intercepts and rates of change, and then we're also asked at 3 days late, when you return them, what are the late fees on each book? So first off, let's determine a function for our local library. We're looking at a difference for each difference of 1 day. We're looking at a difference of 0.55. 1.10 minus 0.55 is 0.55. $1.65 minus $1.10 is 0.55. So our function here, using the same variables as the county function, is C cost equals 0.55 times the number of days. So at 3 days, at the local library, we're looking at 0.55 times 3, which was actually already part of our table, which equals $1.65. And comparing the rates, with the local library, we're looking at 55 cents per day. And with the county library, we're looking at 45 cents per day. And for the cost of 3 days for the county library, we're looking at 0.45 times 3, which equals $1.55. Or actually, no, $1.35. Which makes sense because with the difference of 10 cents per day, 55 cents compared to 45 cents, that'd be a difference of 30 cents. And at 3 days, the late fees from the local library on each book is going to be $1.65, and for the county library, it's going to be $1.35. With number 3, we are given y equals 16x plus 100 and 32x minus 2y equals 500, and we're asked Why will they never intersect? Let's go ahead, and we already have our first equation in slope-intercept form. Let's put our second equation into slope-intercept form. Subtracting 32x from both sides, we get negative 2y equals negative 32x plus 500. Divide both sides by negative 2, and we get y equals 16x plus 250. Now, why will they never intersect? Well, they're different lines because the y-intercept is different. But if you look at their slopes, m equals 16. M equals 16. So if we have different y-intercepts and the same slope, we know that these lines are parallel lines. Same slope, different y-intercepts. That means they will never intersect because they are parallel.